Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. But first, let's hit that subscribe and like button, it really helps me out. So in this video we're going to talk about how to stop Spotify from playing songs automatically, because imagine if you are listening to this song from Beyonce and you just want to listen to this one, and the song is ending, Spotify will automatically play another song. So to disable this, go to this thing in the right top, click on playback, scroll down, and here you can see autoplay, and beneath it says enjoy non-stop listening. When your audio ends, we'll play you something similar. You can disable it or enable it. Also, you can go over here and see the three lines over on the bottom, click on that, and as you can see is everything Spotify automatically played set for you in a queue, and you can always type on something and add to your queue or remove it, but this won't show you if you have disabled the autoplay. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know.